Mark the punch position for the mounting brackets. Punch the holes after determining the position. Insert the expansion screws into the holes. Secure the mounting bracket, outer mounting brackets, and the spacer, inner mounting bracket, together with the bolt and nut. Secure the side brackets in place. Insert the head rail into the brackets. Pull the ring down 1 to 2 inches to unlock. The shade will then rise automatically. Pull the ring downward to lower the shade. To pause at your desired position, pull down slightly more. Same as downward operation.